Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Explanation. So in today's video, I'm going to solve a question that is asked by a student, one of my students. So this question is from year 2072, okay, and for subject C programming. So this question is from 2D array, okay. So 2D array, or you can say matrix. The question is, write a program to read a 3 by 3 matrix, okay, and find the minimum integer value of a matrix. Also replace the diagonal element by the minimum element and display it using pointer in C. Okay, so this question is very easy question. Okay, don't have to worry, this is a very easy question. In this, what you have to do is, the concept is, if you read a 3 by 3 matrix, for example 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, okay, so first thing you have to do is you have to find the minimum element. You have to find the minimum integer among this. So 1 is the minimum integer, and after that you have to replace the diagonal element. It means that you have to replace this 5 and 9 by 1 and 1. So this would be your answer. And for displaying, you have to use the concept of pointer. So this concept of pointer is very easy. I have already taught you in my previous videos. So in case of arrays, the name of array itself acts as a pointer. You don't have to declare any extra pointer variable. Okay, let me explain. I hope you have copied the question, or you have just noted the question. Okay, so in case of array and pointer, what happens is, for example, array and matrix, what happens is, the name of array, for example, this is a 1D array and this is a 2D array. Okay, so for representation of this in array pointer notation, you simply have to print it like this in case of value. Okay, also this one you have to just print it in the form of rows and column. So this is the form in which you can print it. So this is the pointer notation of a matrix. So in this program also I'm going to do the same thing, but just remember the concept. If in case if you want to declare a pointer variable, so this pointer variable is going to store the first address, that is address of a of 0, or this pointer variable in case of 2D matrix, it is going to store the address of first variable. Okay, so if you don't want to do this, it's okay, we can simply print it using a pointer variable in case of matrix. So let's solve the question. So first thing what we are going to do is, first of all we are going to declare a matrix, because already the dimension is given. So we are going to declare a matrix. Suppose it is of dimension 3 by 3. Okay, and then what we are going to do, we are going to read the element. So for reading the element, we use two loops, one I equals to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus, and second loop, j equals to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. Okay, I'm going to solve this using a compiler also. So and finally we are going to go read the matrix. Okay, address of mat I comma j. This is for reading the element. Okay, after that, for replacing the diagonal element, or for replacing the diagonal element by minimum element, what we are going to do, we are going to declare a variable minimum, and we are going to set the value of that variable as the first element of matrix. Okay, for example, your matrix is 5 6 2 1 2 0, so we are going to set this 5 as minimum. Fine, again we are going to now we are going to search for all the element. Okay, we are going to look for all the element and replace this minimum element with the actual minimum element. Okay, so for that we are going to again use two loop. For I equals to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. Again for j equals to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus, and then finally the condition, if matrix of I j is less than minimum. Okay, see, we have already set the minimum value as mat of 0 0, but in case we increase the loop, if any of the matrix of ij is less than minimum, what we are going to do, we are going to set the minimum value as our new value, that is mat I of I and j. Okay, so in first loop we read the value of matrix, in second loop we found out our minimum element. So after this code, this loop is terminated, we are going to get the minimum value as 1. This is our new minimum value. Fine. Now in third case, we are going to replace all the diagonal element by the minimum element. Okay, so here there are a number of concepts for replacing diagonal element, but I am going to use the easiest one. For I equals to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus, I am just going to use a single loop. See the concept. Okay, here instead of writing mat I j, I am going to write this in the form of pointer notation. So can you tell me the pointer notation of this? What is the pointer notation? It is star of mat plus I plus I only is equals to minimum. Okay, you can also solve this using a j loop. We have to use an extra j loop, but here we are going to use only one loop and we are going to solve this. So what is the, when the I value becomes 0, what is it? It is mat of 0 0. I value become 1, it is mat of 1 1. I value become 2, it is mat of 2 and 2. So this is nothing but our diagonal element. Yes, here, here and here, I and j equal, ij equal, ij equal. So this is our diagonal element. So in this way we will set the value of diagonal element to the minimum value. And finally they told us to display the matrix using pointer variable. Very easy. Again use to loop, I equals to till 3, I j equals to till 3, and finally print the matrix. So printf %d star of mat plus I plus j. Okay, so now let's see the code. I have already written the code here. Okay, see, so here matrix of 3 by 3, ij and one minimum value. First we are going to read the matrix. Okay, then we are going to set the minimum value of as the first element. Then we are going to find the minimum element. So we are going to use to loop and we are going to use the condition. If mat of ij is less than min, minimum becomes our mat of ij. And finally we are going to replace the diagonal element. You can also use two loops here, but then you have to use the condition. If I equals to j, then this one. So simply you can use this a single loop here, and then mat of 0 0 is minimum, mat of 1 1 is minimum, mat of 2 2 is minimum. And finally we can display our updated matrix like this using pointer notation. Okay, so I think this is the easiest method which I have used here. So okay, if you find this useful, do comment. Let me see what is the error here. Okay, expected something. I'll check the error meanwhile. Okay, there is a simple error. I have put here percentage at the end. So let's save this and let's run this. Okay, enter element of 3 by 3 matrix. So I'm simply going to enter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. See, the updated matrix is 1 1 1. All the diagonal element has been replaced by 1 1 1. Fine, so that's all for this question. Next I'll come up with some other question. Till then, stay safe and thank you.